Yuling wants to make 14 small identical stars and 20 large identical stars using wire. She has made 12 small stars and 7 large ones using 960 cm of wire. Okay, now let's write this down. So 12 small stars plus 7 large stars requires 960 cm. And the length of wire she used for 3 large stars is the same as that for 4 small stars. So that means, okay, 4 small stars equals to 3 large stars. So how about 12 small stars then? So what we need to do, right, is just to times 3 to both sides, and we will see that 12 small stars is the same as 9 large stars. And if 12 small stars is the same as 9 large, we can rewrite this. Change these 12 stars to 9 large. So 9 large plus 7 large stars, we will need 960 cm. So that means 16 large stars requires 960 cm, and 1 large star will require 960 divided by 16. That will be 60 cm. Okay, by the way, for part A, how many large stars can be made with the same length of wire used to make 12 small stars? The answer is 9 large stars. Okay, now let's move on to part B. What is the length of wire she needs to make the remaining stars? Okay, so now we know that 1 large star she requires 60 cm. So 3 large stars will require 60 times 3, which is 180 cm. So 3 large stars is the same as 4 small stars. So 1 small star will be just 180 divided by 4. That will give us 45 cm. So to find the length of the wire she needs to make the remaining stars, what we can do is to just take 14 minus 12. We know that she requires another 2 small stars. And 20 minus 7, she requires another 13 large stars. So 2 small stars will be just 2 times 45 plus 13 large, 13 times 60. That will give us 870 cm.